51. Cut something off. Meaning, remove with something sharp.
Example, he cut off his hair for charity. 52. Cut something off. Meaning, stop providing. Example, the phone company cut off our phone because we didn't pay the bill.
53. Cut someone off. Meaning, take out of a will.
Example, my grandparents cut my father off when he remarried.
54. Cut something out. Meaning, remove part of something, usually with scissors and paper.
Example, I cut this ad out of the newspaper.
55. Do someone or something over. Meaning, beat up, ransack, bar-y, informal.
Example, he's lucky to be alive. His shop was done over by a street gang.
56. Do something over. Meaning, do again, en aimer.
Example, my teacher wants me to do my essay over because she doesn't like my topic.
57. Do away with something. Meaning, discard.
Example, it's time to do away with all of these old tax records.
58. Do something up. Meaning, fasten close.
Example, do your coat up before you go outside. It's snowing.
59. Dress up. Meaning, wear nice clothing.
Example, it's a fancy restaurant, so we have to dress up.
60. Drop back. Meaning, move back in a position or group.
Example, Andrea dropped back to third place when she fell off her bike.